Hello everyone, this is Cindy with Moonfire Studios, and I have a really cool design project for a digital artist that I found quite recently on Etsy. She has the coolest digital kits, and this one is part of an ice fairy forest and stained glass ice fairies and ice castles kits that are available. She is Sally with Rickety Snippets, and I can't wait to show you guys this. I have been just working on this, and it keeps wanting to go and go and go and go. So I finally forced myself to stop because I can just make this whole thing explode with everything that she has. And I've used multiple kits in this project, so I will list them below in the description. And if you could please give us a like, a heart, a thumbs up, a follow, a subscribe. Any little bit helps, especially with the YouTube algorithm and Instagram algorithms changing. So I greatly appreciate it. Welcome back if you're here with me for a while, and welcome to everyone new. So I can't wait to undo this and show you guys the inside. It's I'm doing this a little differently this time. I'm showing you the flip through reveal, and then I'm going to upload the playlist of the process videos. So it had initially started out, I was just going to do this little topper bit as a card, and that was all. But then I saw that I had other things printed out already, and like this box, and I want to use everything. So I've used about 3 or 4 kits in this project, and I will cue the music, change the camera angle so you can see a little bit better, and get right to it. So thanks very much everyone. I hope you enjoy. See you next time. Let's do this. Alright, you can see that I have moved to my kitchen because there's natural light up here, and I wanted you guys to see all of the beautiful colors in this, because there's a lot of white and that white blue that's in here, so I could not get my lighting correct in the basement, and I wanted you to see what they really look like and how blue the blue is and how actual white the white is. So I hope you don't mind, and I hope you can see it better. I can't create up here with all this wonderful natural lighting that I have, because it's upstairs. But I hope you enjoy the design project that I've done.